I'll always
Well, good morning, everybody. It is Sunday. It is officially March. And this is our weather right now. 28 degrees. A high of 39. Still pretty chilly at night, but not bad. Tomorrow, not too shabby. And then look at this. Snow, snow, snow. Snow, snow, snow. Not cold, but snow. All the way to Thursday. Friday. Seriously. I'm so over the snow. I am ready for spring. Bedhead. That sound is my fan blowing. So, you guys down south, send me some warm weather, please, because cabin fever is kicking my behind bad. I need to get outside, and not just for, an hour, and then my hands are frozen. Oh, anyway, I hope everybody's having a good day. We did get out to the lake yesterday, and I got a new wannabe GoPro. But I did a lot of researching on it, and it looks like it is a fairly good camera. So I'm gonna download the videos that I took, and we'll see how well it works. So have a good morning. Drink coffee, wake up. So there's Miss Freak Girl Amy Smith in her bedhead and not awake. I hope y'all have a wonderful day.